I just made a weird face.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's Camille.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy.
It is.
It is, eh?
Damn.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Shiny, Severus Snape, Shiny, Severus Snape, singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking, and it's a pipe bomb.
Jacob! Get in here!
Fold